Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and today we'll be looking into a question a client recently asked me. So she was actually asking us, how can we actually merge same items with different item codes inside AutoCount? Alright, so before we begin, do like and subscribe to be notified when we release a new guide. So in this example, let's come here to stock item maintenance. Alright, so let's scroll down. Okay, so let's say example, these two items are the same item, but we created two different item codes for this. Alright, so to do this, what we need to do is we come here to tools here. We need to come here to change code, change item code. Here we press perform merge, then we press plus. So let's say I want to keep SN001. So I come here, I will select SN01. Alright, then from here I will put SN001. Alright, so once we're done, we just press change. The system said you will not be able to undo. We say yes, and then we key in the admin password. Alright, successful. So let's close this. So now you can see we have 3 units and 1 unit. We press refresh, scroll down. Now we have 1, and now all 4 units are inside here. So this is how easy it is to combine an item with 2 different codes inside into one. Alright, so that's about it. Thanks.